Good morning. Andito kami ngayon sa may St. Augustine Church, Southwoods, for an early morning bike and walk. Nakikita nyo yung mga naglalakad at may pack. Third time that I rode a bike just to enhance my skills in biking, and we're planning to have a long ride soon, kaya more practice at my age of 66, still kicking. And kumusta kay paring Abe Robles of Goolon yun? I think he is well trained, especially in biking. This is my bike. Not so nice bike, but it's okay. Pwede na rin pagtiyagaan. Ito yung mga kasama ko sa aming project. Then mamaya back to house na. Mga ilang ikot pa, isa pa, mga almost 20 minutes ride, malapit lang. Then siguro next time, since malapit kami ng Marcos sa Tagaytay, Marcos sa house, doon siguro susunod next time. So bye for now, at sana abangan nyo lagi yung live ko, or at least pwede kayong mag PM sa akin. Hope magkita tayo kung saan man dito sa Laguna. Okay, bye for now. Mamaya ulit. Thank you.